Greetings and blessings, beloved brothers and sisters on earth.
Priesthood of Melchizedek.
Kadosh, 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 Adonai, Sabaoth.
The purpose of this video is to share a new publication, GRIDS of Consciousness Unification, ebook, audible, paperback, 88 pages, 21 images, easy to find, just Google the title or author. Details, author bios are as close as your smartphone, tablet, or computer. The point of this video is to emphasize that the handbook is for those ready to work collectively to experience the reality that the whole is greater than the sum of the parts, experience unified oneness.
The concepts and conceptualizations expressed within this handbook for all human beings, every family, members, and ministers of the Church, are not an intellectual expression of knowledge. They are the fruits of experience earned, anchored on earth through living collectively 24/7 as a unified family of God since 1976. The product of anchoring divine principles supporting the family unification of mankind. These are practical guidelines to harmonize relationships within family, work, all groups of human beings influencing and affecting one another. Principles and practices of living unity consciousness.
Church of the Creator shall function through all its parts, its members, each supportive of the whole, all portraying through their golden example and sacred mandate the living Word made flesh. Please join with us. For who we are and who we represent, we ask for divine intervention in our lives and living in all matters known and unknown through decree. Divine right order, Kadosh, 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 Adonai, Sabaoth. Till next time.
This church, this functioning body decrees that as long as it may serve this planet, this humanity, so therefore are we prepared to be the instruments in which to serve the one living God who has placed a trust in us. So be it, and so it is. Amen, 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 and amen.